This is an AI system trying to make the world better. This video is from a tweet from this person who's shown off what they were working on. What they're building is called a task-driven autonomous agent. This person kept working on this concept, which now is a BabyAGI.
The idea that I could give like this AI system a goal and that it's going to just continually pursue this goal, it could be save the world or make paper clips or like whatever, but I could just, it already exists where it will continually try to pursue this thing. It's pretty exciting to me, so I'm recreating this project.
A task-driven autonomous agent is a system that basically pursues goals by creating tasks based on its goals and executing on those tasks iteratively until it reaches that goal. BabyAGI does this by having multiple sub-agents within itself. There's a task executor agent, there's a task creation agent, there's a task prioritizer agent, and then there's a separate vector database. Before you run your BabyAGI, you set your objective for it. The task list creator creates tasks. The prioritizer prioritizes which tasks need to be done first to complete the rest of them. If there's missing tasks, the task creator will create more tasks, and then the executor executes. The vector database is used to reduce the memory load on the foundational LLMs for this project. And the script, it just goes through this process continually. Now the actual BabyAGI project is a bit more complicated because of, all the ways they're trying to optimize this project. I'm not doing the video for this project. I wanted to make this video because I think we're going to see a lot of multi-agent systems like BabyAGI and AutoGPT and MetaGPT.
Multi-agent systems are a way to extract more out of the intelligence that we already have. I think with LLMs, we're sitting on a lot of intelligence, which we could extract a lot more out of. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on any of my socials, because I'll be posting more about this, about anything AGI related and recreating that project. Thank you.